Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Immigration Attorney Moumita, and I am the immigration attorney here to help you navigate this complex world of immigration. For those of you who are watching me for the very first time today, my name is Moumita and I am a lawyer in New York, and I focus exclusively on immigration law. I have been serving clients for almost 10 years, and it is my pleasure to practice immigration law, although I think it really is the most complicated area of law. So thank you for tuning in and for watching the videos that I make. I'm trying to bring you as much news and information that I can. And it would really make me very happy if you subscribe to my page and share my videos with your friends, because when you share a video that I make that you find useful, then other people come to know about my channel and they also are encouraged to subscribe. So today, what I would like to talk to you about is I'd like to actually bring you some good news. The Department of State has announced that consulates will be resuming a kind of phased reopening on a post-by-post basis. And what this means is that depending on the consular post and the country that they're in, they will start resuming some routine services if they have not already. So if you watched my video last week, I did discuss that some consulates have resumed holding immigrant visa interviews, especially for spouses of US citizens. And now we have learned that the Department of State has kind of given a green light to some posts to go ahead and reopen as they see fit. Now, what is the best way for you to find out if your consulate will be available to give you an appointment for a non-immigrant visa interview? I can't really give you the answer. The best thing for you to do is to just check on the website for the consulate, because hopefully they will be providing that information there. And also, if you have an account for the appointment system for your consulate, log on there and see if any appointments are available, because if there are appointments that are available, then that's usually a good indication that your consulate will be reopening. Now, what if you need to get your interview for an immigrant visa? For this, the best thing for you to do, and really the only thing that you can do, is wait to receive that appointment letter from the consulate. Since this is something that you cannot schedule on your own, you have to wait for the consulate to give you this notice. But what you can do is just check on the website for the consulate. See if it says that it's reopened. So this is really great news for those who need to come to the US with a visa. The other thing that the Department of State has also announced is that consulates during this phased reopening will be prioritizing 3 types of cases. The first type will be any emergency case. So it really depends on what kind of visa you need and what your emergency is, but the consulates are prioritizing these emergency type interviews. Again, if you need an emergency, then you have to give the consulate proof of your emergency and why you need to have this interview right away. The second category of interviews that they will be prioritizing are interviews for family members of US citizens. The third category that the consulates will prioritize are visas for students and certain J1 and M1 visas. I hope you found this video helpful and that you enjoyed watching me here today. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I release a new video, and trust me, you don't want to miss a thing. There's something new almost every single day. My name is Moumita Rahman. See you next week. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For proper legal advice on your case, please call us to set up a consultation.